I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay, y'all, so I'm super duper excited about this video. But first, let me go ahead and say first, yes, I am still protective styling, as y'all can see. Secondly, if there's like a glare or something like that, it's not your lighting, it's not my lighting. I'm just gonna be honest, y'all, my face is greasy. I don't have any makeup on my face. I woke up this morning, my face was dry, but it was cold outside, so I put some Vaseline on it. So I just wanted to just go ahead and get this out of the way, okay? I'm a little greasy today, so y'all just gonna have to look over there. But anyways, so Shea Moisture sent your girl DeeDee from Dangerfield, little old me, sent me some free products. I have not opened the products. This is like my first PR box, and so I'm very excited about that, you know, being a small YouTuber and all. But I haven't opened them. I just said that I would open a box with y'all. Okay, so apparently, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 things in the box. All of them are the same color, so they look like they are from the same line. So I'll just go over each product. Okay, so this particular line, this packaging is really cute. I'm here for the light blue. And this is from their Manuka honey and yogurt line. So everything in the box will be from that particular line. And so this is the Hydrate and Repair shampoo with Mafura. Y'all know I'm able to pronounce stuff. Mafura and baobab oil. And it looks like those are gonna be some of the ingredients with all of the products or whatever. So it says it repairs by reducing breakage on heat styled hair up to 76% when used with their Hydrate and Repair conditioner. It is it cleanses and restores extremely dry, brittle hair, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, animal testing, no petroleum. And so this is the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. Okay, so the second thing is the Hydrate and Repair conditioner. The same as the shampoo with no sulfates, color safe, no mineral oil. And it says it softens, detangles, and infuses abused hair with intensive moisture with this nutrient-rich rinse-out conditioner. So this is a rinse-out conditioner. You know what? Let me open this up and see what it smells like. Let me just see what it smells like. I can't really smell it. I don't really know what it smells like. It smells, you know, pretty much all their products to me smell good. It's not a fruity scent though. I guess it's like a normal shampoo and conditioner smell, just maybe like a generic base. Like it has a nice smell to it. What I'm saying is it's not very fragrant, so if you're not into fragrances, it's not gonna overwhelm you, but it does have some type of scent, which I like a little bit of scent. Let me know like I'm putting something on my hair. So it has like a very subtle scent to it, so I actually like it. So this is the conditioner. Pretty much the shampoo and conditioner are in like the same type of packaging. Okay, so next we have the Hydrate and Repair multi-action leave-in. Okay, it says this multi-action leave-in does it all. It absorbs quickly to hydrate, recondition, strengthen, and smooth abused hair while it preps for easy styling. Certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt blend together in a lightweight treatment. Alrighty, so this is the leave-in, and it's not thick, so it's kind of more of like a liquid, so hopefully it sprays out easily. Okay, so next we have the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to trying this Protein Power Treatment. And again, it seems like the theme of this line is to strengthen and protect extremely brittle and dry hair. That's kind of what's been said on all of the products that I have. So if you are experiencing any of that, then this may be a good thing to try. First, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna let y'all know. But yeah, so that's kind of like the theme of the Manuka honey and yogurt line. And let me just go ahead and say this: I'm a big fan of the Manuka honey. Was it Manuka honey and Mafura oil? Was that the one? I think that's the original one. that they have the deep conditioner. That deep conditioner was like on my 2017 favorites list. I absolutely love the deep conditioner. I didn't get a chance to try any of the other products, but I am a fan of that. So I'm hoping that these products will kind of resemble those as far as creaminess and hydrating the hair. It says apply a quarter-sized amount from roots to ends, paying particular attention to damaged ends. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. May also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. So for me, when I use this, I'm more or less going to use, I'm probably going to shampoo and condition my hair. And then I'm going to put the protein power treatment on and focus it on my ends. And then I'll rinse it out. So that's how I'm going to do that. And I'm probably more than likely going to leave it on longer than 10 or 15 minutes. But that's what I'm going to do for this. Also, let me say, y'all know sometimes when I'm doing like deep conditions or doing any type of manipulation to my hair when I'm trying new products, sometimes I'll, you know, add oil or this, that, and other. But this time I'm not. I'm just going to use the product itself. I'm not going to add any oil to this while I'm putting it on my ends. I'm just going to use it like they told me to use it. Oh, this is, y'all, this is thick. Oh my God. Really thick. I'm gonna see if I can hold this up. If not, then I'll just have to do a side by side. It's not even coming out. Usually when you turn products like upside down like this, they drip out. Y'all, this is so thick. I cannot wait to put this on my hair. Like really, really thick. Alrighty. And it smells the same as the other stuff. Like I said, a very light scent. Okay, and last but not least, this, I like this little packaging. What is this? This is the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. Okay, it says it seals and shines extremely dry, brittle hair. Apply to damp or dry hair, focusing on ends and style as usual. Yes. Okay, so let me see if I can open this. Okay. Oops. Another thick product. Okay, so this, it looks like you're going to have to warm it up. You know how sometimes you put your makeup on with your concealer, you may rub it in your hand or something like that, or moisturizer, whatever, kind of warm it up a little bit. Same thing with this. This is very thick. Again, this is like a thick balm. It seems like to me, just from touching it, you're gonna have to really just work your finger around to warm it up. And it has like a greasy feel to it. If y'all can see that on my finger, it has a greasy feel to it, which is fine with me. Y'all know I'm all about greasing hair, greasy ends, greasy face, and all that. So yeah, like I said, it has a greasy texture to it, which in my opinion is good if you have split ends. So it seems like it's really gonna help with the split ends. But yeah, very very greasy. And this one doesn't, of all of them, it has the least amount of scent. Oh, let me open it so y'all can see what it looks like. Again, if these don't come out well, then I'll just do side by side so y'all can see it. I just can't wait to try this. And I'm gonna be honest, I mean, just from the 5 products, let me put all of them back up here. Okay, so just from the 5 products that I have, of course I can't hold all of them up because I have small hands, but I think the 2 products that I'm most interested in trying definitely will be this this protein power treatment. I cannot wait to try that because, like I said, y'all, this is so thick, so thick. And also the split end balm, because to me the split end balm is a little greasy, which I like because I put what's the name of the oil that I use? Extra virgin olive oil. When I'm doing twist outs and stuff like that, I always put extra virgin olive oil on my hair and try to focus on the ends. So to me, this is gonna be greasy as well. Like I said, y'all know I'm all about the grease. So I'm really anxious to try the split end balm and also the protein power treatment. Being on a PR list was definitely one of my goals for 2018. Like I just said, I am a small YouTuber. I've only been on YouTube for a year, and I feel like my channel is growing. So I'm really excited that I got a chance to, I guess, be recognized, to even get, you know, free products to test them out. Also, I never asked y'all, you know, at one point, I can't remember exactly when it was. I think it was last year, maybe early last year or something like that. Shea Moisture had did the controversial video that everybody was talking about. A lot of people did videos on it on YouTube. I personally didn't do a video. I just felt like it was too many out. I really didn't see the point. But you know, some people was like, oh, they're canceled, I'm never buying their products and all that other stuff. So I never really polled my audience to see how y'all felt about Shea Moisture products and them as a company. I think for me, having a business background, I more or less understood what they were trying to do, but I just felt like the plan that they were implementing really wasn't the best, I guess, way to go about it. So I'm gonna leave it like that. You know what I mean? So I never was like, okay, I'm over their products, this, that, and the other, because honestly, Shea Moisture was like the very first product that I ever tried when I started my natural hair journey. I think everybody make mistakes, they apologize. I kind of was just like, okay, I'm over it. You know what I mean? So let me know what y'all think about that. But I am going to it is time for me to redo my hair, so I'll be trying these products probably within the next couple of days. I'll do a demo and try to upload it and stuff so y'all can get my honest opinion on how I feel about it, do a review. And also, I have not forgot, I still have to do reviews for what was it, the Main Choice and Eden Body Works. I've already tried those products for multiple months, so I can give y'all an honest review on it. So I've actually filmed the videos, I just have not had time to edit them because of work. So I will try to upload those as well sometime in the future. But right now, since it is time for me to do my hair, like I said, I'm going to be trying these new products. So if y'all already have this, let me know, because I haven't really been out and about like in Sally's or Target or anything to see them. But if y'all have seen these and y'all have tried them, or y'all know people that have tried them, let me know, because I haven't really seen a lot or heard a lot about it yet. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.